shit! Shit! Oh my god, poor Kevin!
I'm gonna go around it.
Oh, he's gonna go round it.
He hasn't got a snorkel.
I wonder about the snorkel.
Don't stop. Oh, you're going back? Oh shit! Don't go back. Brett, don't go back. We'll get stuck in it.
We won't.